clear 020, and when we have any in sight, sir. Thank you.
Lifeline 1, if you could just report about 2 miles northeast of Nashville.
2 miles northeast for Lifeline 1.
Blue Streak 5032, Nashville Tower, white 2 left, clear for takeoff.
2 left, clear for takeoff, Blue Streak 5032.
Yeah, at 535 departure. Second.
Yeah, you want us to switch departure for Southwest 2771?
I'm sorry, it's 2771 kind of departure.
Have a good one.
Tower, layer 189, Papa, bound visual 2 right.
Clear 189 or Papa, Nashville Tower 2 right, clear to land.
2 right, clear to land, 189, Papa.
Southwest 1593, Nashville Tower. The wind 3506, runway 2 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 2 left, Southwest 1593.
Blue Streak 5032, kind of departure.
Departure, have a good day, Blue Streak 5032.
Southwest 1762, Nashville Tower 2 left, clear for takeoff.
2 left, clear for takeoff, Southwest 1762.
Lifeline 1, we got traffic straight ahead of you, Southwest 737. One more behind them, rolling off at 2 left, they'll be straight out. Another Southwest 737. Climbing above you, caution white turbulence.
Lifeline 3, acknowledge. Have visual.
Southwest 1593, kind of departure.
Tower, good morning, Delta 2938, visual 2 right.
Delta 938, Nashville Tower 2 right, clear to land.
2 right, go land, Delta 938.
Delta 3159, Nashville Tower 2 left, line up and wait.
Oh, out of the way, 2 left, Southwest third over to John.
Allegiant 6011, right turn Sierra 5, can I grab 1 honor?
Sierra 5, grab 1 honor, Allegiant 6011.
Lifeline 1, the traffic you're seeing is they're departing off at 2 left, leaving 1,200 straight out.
Lifeline 1, visual, sir. We'll advise and watch out for wake turbulence.
Southwest 1762, the traffic off your right side, the helicopter 1,600 westbound has you inside, no factor, kind of departure.
Taking the switch, I'm local, South 762.
Southwest 3159, just maintain business separation from the helicopter, flying runway heading runway 2 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 2 left, runway heading, helicopter traffic inside, Southwest 039. Tower, Med Flight 3, or correction, Life Flight 1 is 2.5 from Nashville.
November 118 Delta Lima, Nashville Tower, runway 2 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 2 left, 118 Delta Lima.
Lifeline 1, frequency changes, approved, radar service terminated.
Lifeline 1.
Southwest 3159, connect departure.
Departure Southwest 3159, go.